Imagine living in a home that's healthier, quieter, and more comfortable, that increases in value, and reduces the emissions that contribute to climate change. A better home is possible when you improve your home's energy efficiency. Let's open the door to your better home. To help protect our city and the people we love from climate change, we need to work together to reduce greenhouse gas emissions from all areas of our lives. Improving the energy efficiency of your home is one of the biggest things you can do to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. When you think about renovating your home, it's important to consider energy efficiency early on. The best way to improve the efficiency of your home is through an energy retrofit. So what's the best way to get started? With an EnerGuide home evaluation. An EnerGuide home evaluation is an assessment of your home's energy performance, completed by a registered home energy advisor. EnerGuide is an official mark of Natural Resources Canada. When you book an EnerGuide home evaluation, you'll receive a rating for your home's energy performance and a customized action plan to help you make your home more efficient. Recommended actions could range from simple actions like air sealing, to replacing doors and windows, to deeper retrofits involving solar or other renewable energy systems. All the energy-efficient upgrades identified in your evaluation report will help to lower your energy consumption and emissions, and make your home healthier and more comfortable. It's good for you and the planet. Based on your evaluation, you may choose upgrades depending on your budget that would get you as close to 0 on the EnerGuide rating scale as possible. Completing an EnerGuide home evaluation may also help you qualify for rebates and incentives, including those offered by local utility companies. To find a registered home energy advisor and get started, contact your local utility company or service organization. With the support of your EnerGuide home evaluation, you'll be well positioned to start your energy retrofit journey. Let's open the door to your comfortable, climate-friendly home. To learn how you can make your home healthier, more comfortable, and lower energy costs, check out betterhomesto.ca.